G'day guys and girls, welcome to another video, and I'm here tonight at Sydney Dragway. Should be a good night for it. It's just under 20 degrees at the moment, so it should drop off some more. That screeching you can hear is them preparing the track. Last time I was here I did a 15.3 and my 60 footers were 2.4 seconds, so doesn't matter what car I have, doesn't matter what setup it has, 2.4 is always my 60 foot. What I'm interested in tonight is how much the Revo Stage 2 with the torque limiter removed in first and second, if I can improve on that 60 foot time, and then that should equal to better numbers down the other end as well. Hoping for something like a mid 14 or something. Like, I can't drive for shit, but a mid 14 would be fairly alright for me. So I'm just going to lower the tyre pressures a little bit, not too much, but I will lower them a little bit tonight, and we'll go for some good times, and hopefully it's a good night with no incidents. Shouldn't have said that. Tyre pressures are sorted. I've just put them down to 25 psi. I know for drag racing you should really go lower, but I don't fancy doing so. We've got a couple of cameras running tonight. Got my phone sorted, so we've got the draggy as well, so we're gonna connect that up. And sorry if you got a heap of glare there, but we'll set that up and see how accurate it is compared to the time slips, and it might give a good idea anyway, something to talk about at the end of the run. Alright, this is run 1. So anything under 2.260 foot. So probably a bit of room for improvement. I can't see what quarter mile time that's saying, but I also got a bit of wheel spin too in first gear, so not a bad first run. We'll see what we got. That's the first run over. I did a little burnout, still got some wheel spin, hit rev limiter in a couple of gears, but 14.519 was my quarter mile at 96 mile an hour, so there's probably some room for improvement there. 2.399, I tried to beat 2.460 foot, so a bit more traction and that'll start to come down, and as the temperatures drop it's still 19 degrees, so there's room for improvement to beat that 14.5. Alright, about to set up for the burnout in run 2. I'm up against the old Hilux Ute thing. Okay. That felt like a good run. That felt good. I didn't get much wheel spin. Didn't get much wheel spin at all. Didn't hit rev limiter. Changed it a little bit before I saw the rev limiter last time. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed that was pretty decent. I'm looking to improve on a 14.5.
felt like a good run.
So that was run 2. I'm freaking stoked with that. 98 mile an hour. 60 foot time down to 2.133, so I'm really happy with that. I wanted to get much closer to 2 seconds. Thanks, dashcam. And my quarter mile time was 14.083, 14.07 on the draggy, so that's getting down there. Revo do say on their website 13.9 is a realistic target. Don't doubt that for a second, so let's keep going and see what happens when the temperatures get even lower. All right, run 3, getting set for the burnout. So 14.0 and 2.160 foot. I was really happy with that. All right, let's see how we go this time. I lowered the pressures a little bit. Run 3, not as good that time. 60 foot was back up to 2.343. ET was 14.358 and mile an hour 97.48. So I feel like I didn't launch all that great then. I was focusing too much on it and it just went a bit wrong. So keep going, we're getting through these really quick. All right, this is run 4 now. So still got to get into the 13s. All right, let's go. Go. That Commodore will be pissed, he's just lost to a Fiesta. .3 on the draggy. That's 4 runs. It's only 7 o'clock, so we've only been racing for an hour and I've got 4 runs in already. This is pretty awesome for Sydney Dragway. So run 4.
Will now start.
Thanks again. 2.260 foot time, so that was good. 97 mile an hour, still consistent. I only ran a 14.3. I think I launched a bit too aggressively, although my 60 foot time was all right. I did get a fair bit of wheel spin, so just need to feather that a bit better and get my gear change to second going well, and that time should come down again. All right, coming up to the burnout for my 5th run. Fingers crossed for that 13.0 run. All right. 14.19 on the draggy. So still not that 13.9. Run number 5. It's not even 8 o'clock at night, so we're still getting through. Again, 2.360 foot on that run. I felt like I got off the line a bit better in first, but I don't know, it just didn't get the time. 98.95 miles an hour that time, and a 14.3. I think that's about my third or fourth 14.3 in a row. So it's a consistent little performer, which is definitely something that Revo advertise, and you know, if I can just crack into the 13s, I'll be really happy. I'm already really happy with 14.0, but if I can get a 13.9, I'll stay here a bit longer and we'll try and get that 13.9. Run number 6, getting ready for the burnout. All right, I've got to get this launch right. Run number 6, got a lot of wheel spin and axle tramp in first on that run. 2.560 foot, no surprise there. Resulted in a 14.6 ET, 98.28 miles an hour. So the mile an hour is getting up. I've been up against this Falcon Ute. It's an XR50, non-turbo I assume. He's getting 15.8. So to put it into some perspective, to be over a second quicker than that, that's got a 4 litre inline 6 I believe. Not bad, pretty good. All right, I'll do one more and then I'm gonna go home if things don't get any better. This may well be my last one. Yeah, I'm going to call it a night there. That was my 7th run, so for $60, like it's only 20 to 9. You can keep going until about 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock, I think. But I'm not going to do any more. That one again, 2.5, 60 foot, so I'm not happy with that. Which, that one felt pretty alright. So I'm going to review my second run and just have a look at what I was doing. See if I can see where the revs were and what gear I was in when. And try and replicate that next time. Again, 98.87 miles an hour. I guess I must be rolling off the line rather than launching it, because the slower, if you have a slower takeoff, it can result in higher mile an hour. 14.5. So look, to get a 14.0 on my second run, I'm over the moon with that. I think that's bloody awesome, considering I'm a shit driver. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna sort the tires out now. I'm gonna have to find somewhere to inflate them, pack up all the camera gear, and I am off. Cheers guys, catch you on the next one.